port already, and if you want to choose to go to Tawhai from this floating port, you have to ride a pump boat. But if you wish to go to the resort itself, then you have to walk through this bridge all the way to the sandbar of the resort. So guys, we are finally here in Tawhai Floating Bar, and here is their bar where you can get drinks and order from them. I'm not so sure if they have food. Now let's proceed to the upper deck. Here it is. I think this is a great spot during the sunset, but right now it's 11:30, so I don't think this is a good place to be at. So don't forget your sunscreens. That will really do much for your skin and take care of it. And so here is also a long table. I mean, these are the regular tables. Just, here you can lounge with your friends. If you're a large group, you can, I think, get this area right here. So basically on the upper deck, guys, there's a room over there. I'm not really sure what's in there, and just lounging tables, recliner chairs, and there. So as you can see, guys, there's a large boat behind me with a mark Tawhai. I asked the attendant which is really the Tawhai floating bar, and apparently that Tawhai boat is non-operational because it has to have a permit first. So I don't know if there will be changes soon enough, but yes, this is the current Tawhai floating bar. So here it's quite detailed. The woodwork does have a detail because you can place your cups over here, your bottles. Sides on the upper deck are just the same, guys, and there's a standby pump boat over here of the Tawhai floating bar, because just in case you would want to transfer back to the port and then cross to the bridge, if you would want to have lunch at the Lakawon resort, or you are a check-in guest of such resort, there's always a standby pump boat over here, and from time to time they do pick up passengers or tourists from that port and bring them here at the Tawhai floating bar. Hey there guys, it is indeed a wonderful place to relax. The breeze is just so great and it is a fine sunny today. I really thought it will rain. Then weather is indeed unpredictable. It was quite erratic for the past few hours, but finally we have a sunny bright day. I think I would take the time off, turn off the cam for a bit, relax and be in the moment here. Lakawon Island. Hey there guys, that trip to Lakawon, Tawhai floating bar has ended today. It is 4:15 in the afternoon and leaving Cadiz today, going back to Cadiz City. I think that ends there. Hey there guys, so just before heading back to the city, here at the market and trying to find dried fish. I'm not so sure where we're heading, but yeah, let's see. Hey there guys, so we are here, finally found Ugahan. So basically this is just like what in Cebu, my hometown, dried fish, but we want to taste what it is over here. And so I'm getting tocino and I don't know, just try whatever's in here. So if you did like this video, please do hit like. If you did enjoy, please subscribe for new videos. Onetripper Wonders. Sayonara, everyone.